Hi, I'm Lorna. I'm here today to talk to you about the book I've been working on for the past 2 years and to demonstrate some of the stitches that I've used in the book. The book is evolved through at the request of students asking me to help them design projects. When I first start stitching a flower, I usually automatically start with creating a stem. And the stem will vary according to the type of flower that you are trying to create. If I bring it here, you can see I've tried different ways of stitching different flowers, even with the stems, just to get my eye in. Each and every project that I ever work on, I always have practice cloths.